Okay, I'm going to introduce you to the iron. Hopefully you've done a bit of work on the atom, and now we're going to talk about ions. Now, most atoms in life are unhappy. We're going to explain why. Not all of them, but some of them, most of them. And they want this full outer shell. Now, when we talked about atoms last time, we said we could have 2 on this shell and 8 on every other shell. Now, if you're studying triple science, that's not quite right when you get to C3 if you're doing AQA. But as far as we're concerned, double science, sorted. 8 electrons on each shell, 2 on this first one. Now, the electron configuration of this atom here, okay, is, if you can remember, configuration is 2, because there's 2 on this one here, 2, and then 5, because there's 5 on the second shell. Okay, that's its electron configuration. Excellent. Right, now, if you count them, that's 7. That means the bottom number will be 7, because it's an atom, which means it is nitrogen. Okay, now it's unhappy. It's unhappy because if we imagine that this is a stage in the middle here, and we've got seats, rows of seats going round the stage. In this first row, we've got space for 2 electrons. And in this next one, we've got space for 8 electrons. So that means that this thing has got 3 empty seats. Unhappy. 3 empty seats? Sort it out. We need to gain 3 more electrons to fill in those seats. Oh, now it's happy. Full out shell. Full sheets. There you go. Oh, happy as. Now, it has a new electron configuration. That was the one of the atom. That one there. That's right. So this one here. Let's check my screen works. Oh, not bad. That's the atom. Now, if we do the electron configuration of the now iron, electron configuration. Okay, the new one, it's 2 and then 8. Now, we can't leave it as that because that would look like it was an atom of neon, because neon's got 10 electrons. So we need to do something about it. Now, if you look here, we've gained 3 negative electrons. That means it's now got a charge. That's what an ion is. It's got a charge. It's an atom that's lost or gained electrons. So we've got a charge. So we need to sort it out in our picture. We put the brackets around it. That was a bracket. Right, we've got a charge of 1, 2, 3, minus 3. That is its new configuration. That's what it was before when it was an atom. This is an ion. And when we draw it like this, we need to finish off the picture with a big brackets. Minus 3. Oh my goodness, 3. There you go, sorted. This is happy. Okay, fabulous. Don't write an exam, it's happy. Just spot that. It means it's got a full outer shell, right? Don't go mad. Right, next. Here is some more. Let's look at this first atom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means on the periodic table it's boron. Right, it's got 5 empty seats. 5? Far too many people to draw in to watch this performance in the middle. Too many electrons. Easier. Shift these ones out. Get rid of them. Tell them to go. So off they go. My new electron configuration is just 2. It's 2, but again it has brackets. Now I've got rid of 3 negatives. That means I have now got a charge of positive 3 for that one because I got rid of those negatives. I can put massive brackets around it again and put plus 3. Fabulous. It's now happy as. Is that happy iron? There's just that final touch. In the exam, don't put a smiley face in the middle of it. No, don't be doing that. It's just for effect now. This one, this is the same as the one we did already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs 3. It's easier to fill in 3 than kick out 5. So let's nick them from here for the moment. So here we can go. We'll nick those. It's now got a charge of minus 3. So we put it like that. What's this one going to do? Lose them or gain 6? That's hard work there. I'm not gaining 6. Get rid of those 2. Sort them out. Get rid of them. Chuck them out. Whoa. I don't know where that went. Right there. There's 2. So we lost 2 then. So what's the charge? We lost 2. So we've got a charge of plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That needs to gain 2. So when it's gained 2, it will have a charge of minus 2.